All right, Slacker and Steve are with us now, and today we're focusing on medicine, and the highbrow medicine is what you guys like to bring us.
That's correct.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Our scientists have come up with, the highest brow.
Yeah.
You know, when you just have the hiccups and nothing's going to stop it.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Annoying.
Yeah.
So annoying.
People trying to scare you.
Yeah.
People trying to get you to eat peanut butter upside down.
All these tricks.
Yeah.
Stand on your head. Yes.
That good one.
For centuries, this has gone uncured, but today on our show, you guys have solved the hiccup?
Well, I'm going to tell you this. Now that we've teased it this hard, maybe we should do it tomorrow. At this time tomorrow.
Because you don't want to you don't want to stick the landing, if you will. You're not going to.
I'm just
We're
worried
afraid we're
about
gonna fall short.
so many people, the doctors and scientists around the world have been waiting for this,
And then.
Bated breath.
and so let them tune
Our
in.
scientists.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll
And
tell
the
you
answer
tomorrow
is?
at this exact time.
Tomorrow.
You have someone else firmly plug your ears while you drink water.
Yeah, so I would do this, Slacker would drink, and then somehow.
And this is from real scientists. This is not us or our scientists.
Right.
This works. They have to plug your ears while you drink
No,
water.
it makes perfect sense. You're going to either need someone who really loves you or someone that you're paying a lot of money to stick their fingers in your ears.
Right.
Yeah, that's
Nailed it.
Right.
Yep.
What is the rate? What would you charge someone to if they said, "Hey, Slacker, could you put your fingers in my ears?" What's your going rate?
That's a good question.
Do I have surgical gloves or
No, it's bare finger, bare.
And we don't even know if the copay applies. I mean, there's a lot of things to do.
Wait a minute. 10 or 10 grand.
10 maybe 10 or maybe $12. What do you?
Whoa, okay.
It also depends on the ears. I mean, there's some nice
radio
ears
doesn't pay that well over here, so we will just swing by the radio station and we'll just plug your.
Set up a drive-through thing. Even if you don't have hiccups, Slacker will do it for $10.
Yeah, I will. $10 to $12, depending on.
Since we won't do this tomorrow, we'll do something else. But we'll see you guys then.
All right.